Let's refresh while I tell you things I am too old for. It's my birthday this week. I am turning 38, so I thought, let's reflect a little bit. Just start with the obvious ones. The first thing I'm too old for is wearing makeup to bed. I don't do it. Skincare is wildly important. I am also too old for me to feel judged about getting Botox. I get Botox in this area. I do not have a filter on right now. And in these 11 lines, which I've been told are very strong. So I get Botox there that works with my skincare. I refuse to see them as mutually explicit things. Also, I am too old not to wear sunscreen every single day. Yes, that includes the winter. Right now, my favorite one, which is a dupe for glow screen, I'm probably too old to say that, is the Whoa Glow Sun Touchable from e.l.f. So good. I am too old not to fly first class when the flight is longer than 4 hours. I don't care how much it costs. You won't find me in coach. I am also too old for my hotel accommodations to be uncomfortable. When I stay away from home, I'm already having sleep anxiety. So I need to have it in a bed, a king size bed with lovely sheets and preferably a choice of pillows. Give a girl a pillow menu. I am now officially too old to not be concerned about moving my body on a daily basis. I need to keep myself healthy. We have lost almost 100 pounds from weight loss surgery. I am too old not to make that a lifelong sustainable change. I forgot to do my forehead. To go along with that, though, I am too old to be on a diet. I didn't have surgery to be on a forever diet. And I'm too old to be, in a paranoid way, counting. Tracking for me is a very triggering situation. You won't find me counting anything but protein and ounces of water. Thank you. I am too old to not buy myself good perfume. This one's probably a little strange, but I am too old not to enjoy all the seasons. I'm a summer girl. I love a tan. I love a swim. I love the ocean. I love the long, luxurious summer nights. I am too old to focus just on getting to that season, so I have to find the beauty in the rest of the seasons year round. Fall and spring, that's easy. Winter, ooh. After Christmas, that one's tough, so I have to work at that. This is a little sample from Tarte, by the way. I am lastly too old not to find gratitude in daily, super small things. Gratitude has changed my life, and I hope it continues in 38.